Matt Timmons here, Timberwolf Fire Processing Equipment. Got behind me the long-awaited Pro LP XL diesel. Done a lot of work on this guy. I think it's pretty badass. So we got our live deck. We got a log load in it. We have yet to saw with this, so we're going to see it live and in person here first time. Show you a few of the things on it. So it's like the LP XL gas, except instead of having a 24 or 22 horsepower Honda here, it's got a 25 horsepower or 24.9 because of good friends at the government. Diesel, 3-cylinder, made by Hotz in Germany. Nice little pump here, and another little pump. Does some really cool stuff. We'll show you that in a second. Everything else is pretty much identical to the LPXL. We got this one with a 6-way wedge, and yeah, we'll do a more detailed video after we fire it up. I'm pretty excited to see how it cuts through this little piece of ash. Now this could go bad and it could go good, and we'll find out in a second. Got a control panel right here, so it's got globe plugs, your throttle, and an hour meter. We'll inject the engine. Fast. So yeah, we'll do a detailed walkthrough video in a little bit. That's the first time the log's ever gone through a LPXL diesel. For all you guys waiting out there, appreciate the patience. They're going to start rolling now. So thanks guys.